So it's been part of the scout work. I am part of that crew, but
well, they use this for the scouts, like that's they have scouting groups there, and have sessions.
Yeah. So people who come down and go and work and have done
they're usually best to check on it's generally weekends. Right. Some does work for quite a lot, some don't.
Yeah. If you once you're a member over here, you can come and go. You just have to camera it up.
Yeah.
So if you ask, you can get a gate number to come here and then go crawling.
That's cool.
He's really good about the site like that.
Yeah, he doesn't take the old type of piss. There's no reason why not, is there?
I think there's also the bit, I mean his brother-in-law's up here most of the time, but there's also the bit about what if there's somebody on site, let's rather get roasted.
Yeah, you are. Yeah, 100%.
I thought what I'd do, if I just flatten it off, spread it out, it would just dry off the as well. I know I'm getting towards the end of my battery life, so.
I know it's a work in progress, right?
I think it looks really good. It's got real potential.
I do want to do a whole proper village industrial scene as such.
Right.
Whether it works out for us.
But you look at what we've said to do today. We said take that corner off. Okay, I mean that was up there earlier, and I know it seems only a small amount. Actually, we were using very small machines, so that's a shed load of soil.
Huge a lot.
I will cheat occasionally. If there's some bits done that I've cheated. Like, looks like there's been loads done. I've dug some roads out of the. That's merging the outside end of the road.
Is there anywhere else like this where the basement?
There's a few bases. There used to be one quite a big one, but I think the guy weren't earning enough money for it. He had to go back to the 8 leggers. That's why back to it. They had a lot of bad press for their after year. Got out of it. So they're the first ones to start massive long stuff.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, batteries on these actually don't last that bad at all, do they? Not when you compare it to batteries. Batteries I've been sent batteries in by now.
If I can, I'll do it with my boys.
I mean, this has been digging a bit hard on that.
It's well advertised.
Generally, I use two batteries a day on that.
I'm glad I found it. So it's good to make that post. I really like it. They done a white.
Yeah, a bit of resting in between, messing around with other machines, while doing two batteries.
And I'd love to watch it. It's quite a few. It's making, like you film the thing, but making it look still scary as well. Like you don't want anything that breaks the fourth wall, but nothing that's out of place, like control or extend. Like, for people.
Sounds like that.
Sounds you can go, but it's the image is super important. That is a good idea. One type of probably one type. Yeah. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, when you're ready, you probably know it's just one on one channel, one on the other channel. But whatever one you have on the right, you put the right channel. Whatever one you have on the left, you put the left channel. So it's very unpleasant. You set the audio all the time. So you need to set the mic plus and mono as well. Well, I've looked through settings, mono and that's the right one. Yeah. And you've got more extensions. You set them up so it can do it. No, I've been doing like news probably, like I've just gone with straight from the camera and stuff. And the amount of times like the audio done these books, you know, they're too quiet. And that it's too quiet and bring it up and then you do all the stuff that you need. John likes it too much. It's short. And now it's actually good.
Makes a massive difference because you can play with it almost.
Different mounts. I was only 5 hours
Yeah, I think we put a couple of stones in there for the time being, eh?
well, careful with the stones because they fall down. You're going to get stuck in those bricks.
Right.
Just learn it for next time, isn't it? I assume there will be a next time.
Yeah, I plan to do it like once a month. If the field come down, obviously like you guys, if you come down, obviously you've got most of the things down here.
There must be a load of people that didn't know about this today that would have loved to have been in.
When I first found out about the pool there, I come now, I was like,
You're local.
I'm like, Canada.
Oh, well, I came as well. I literally locally set up the she passed away, she went to Park Hospital. My mate had his first tattoo done in Canada. In London. Yeah, I know, it's all good. I grew up.
Yeah, that's a lot better. Not like it bounces now, which then smooths the rocks off. You probably built a couple of rubber grommets in there that you can take and try to the end. She works so much better, though,